how to go on live with your close friends on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on your close friends on Instagram. To go live on Instagram and share the live video exclusively with your close friend list, then here's how you can do it. First of all, open your Instagram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, before going to the live, let's create the close friends list. For that, you will need to tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. And from this page, tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Once you reach to this section, here scroll down and under who can see your content section, you'll find close friends. Tap on this close friend option and now from here you can add or remove the people to curate your close friends list. After selecting the people, tap on the turn option to set them as your close friend. Now after doing that, come back to the home page and tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Once you do so, at the bottom swipe left from your feed to open the live section. Once you have opened the live section, here you will find everyone or the audience option. Tap on this option and from here select close friends. Once you have done that, now whenever you go to live, your close friends will also be notified. This setting will also ensure that only the people on your close friend list can see your live video. Now go ahead and tap on this live button to start broadcasting live to your close friends. It will take you 3 seconds to start the live. So by following these steps, you can go live on Instagram and ensure that only your close friends can view your live broadcast. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.